If you have hooded eyes, this eyeliner style is everything. I'm talking about the Arabic Floating Liner. It lifts your eyes, especially if you have droopy eyes or hooded eyes, and then it makes your eyes look wider and bigger and is very forgiving, especially on hooded eyes. And of course, even if you don't have hooded or droopy eyes, these look stunning on any eye shape, and I can't wait to show you how it's done. So without further ado, let's begin. Now let's start with what are hooded eyes. You just have to look straight in the mirror and try to look at your lid space. If you can't see your lid space because it's hiding under some extra skin or the hood, then you might have hooded eyes. And when you try to do a winged liner with hooded eyes, it might interfere with the fold of the hood and might look distorted. And one of the ways to work around it is to not interfere with the hood at all. And that's where this kind of eyeliner comes in handy. The Arabic Floating Liner. Before we start with the eyeliner, let's get done with the brows. I'm going to be using my favorite brow pencil. This is the Precisely My Brow from Benefit. I'm using the shade 5 to fill in just the sparse areas. I'm going to be filling in within the brow borders. I'm not going to be extending it or making it any bigger than it actually is because we don't want too much attention towards our brows. We want to make our lid space appear bigger. Also, I'm not going to be extending it in the corners because we want enough space between the lash line and the arch of the brows to give the illusion of a bigger lid space. Using the Milani concealer in the shade 145, which is an exact match to my skin tone, I'm going to clean up underneath the brows and also use it on my lid. And that'll even out the skin tone. As you can see, I have discoloration on my lid, and then underneath my brow it's a different color. So by using this concealer, it is going to even out everything. And before the concealer starts to crease, I'm going to lightly set it with the Airspun Translucent Loose Powder. Let's look at the before one more time. And here is the after. As you can see, it has evened out the skin tone, which in turn makes your lid space look so much bigger. You can definitely use eyeshadows before you do the liner, but today I'm going to be focusing mostly on the eyeliner. And what will come in handy, especially when you have hooded eyes, is using a brush or an eyeliner with a micro tip. And the one that I'll be using today is from House Labs. This is the micro tip liquid eyeliner. As you can see, the tip is very fine, so it's very easy to have control over the pen and do as thick or as thin as you like. And also this pen is extremely pigmented. I'm going to start with the outer corner. Avoiding the fold line, I'm going to pull out a small stroke like you would normally do while pulling out a wing. And rather than joining it back to my top lash line, I will take it down to my lower lash line, leaving a small gap between my waterline and lash line. So that makes it the floating liner. I'm going to fill in just the outer corner. And then using the Rimmel's Candle Eyes Nude Eye Pencil, I'm going to fill in the outer half of my lower waterline. That'll give the illusion of the white part in your eyeball extended towards your lower lash line, giving the illusion of bigger and brighter eyes. And I kept it halfway through my lower waterline because that looks more natural than taking it all the way towards the inner corner. It's time to finish up, so I'm going to curl my lashes and use a coat of mascara. The one that I'll be using is the Essence Princess Lash. You're welcome to use false lashes if you prefer. And I'm only going to be using mascara in my top lashes, not in my bottom. And the reason I'm avoiding applying mascara in my lower lashes is because we've created that illusion that our eyeball has extended all of a sudden by using that nude eye pencil in the waterline. Now, if you apply mascara over that, it doesn't look real. It starts looking tacky. If you prefer, you can apply mascara in your lower lashes, but only to the very tips. Now let's look at the before one more time. And here is the after. Boy, what a big difference it makes. I absolutely love this style. To pair with this, I'm going to be using this beautiful nude lip by Ofra in Sanibel. And over that, I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Gloss in Sincerity. And here is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please thumbs up if you did. It'll help with the algorithm, and it also encourages me to do more for you guys. If you plan to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box along with all the products that I used today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to watch more videos like these, especially for hooded eyes. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.